Are programmers going extinct soon? Exploring the power of AI coding assistants. Hi. In this video, we're going to explore one of the biggest revolutions in the coding world: intelligent programming assistants. These are tools that not only boost coding speed, but can also significantly improve the structure of a project. There are problems that few people might think about, like whether we are really using AI or it's using us, especially if we're not careful. In fact, by doing so, we might be damaging our own brains. A very dark truth is that a large generation is being educated for jobs that will never exist. What's the solution? Maybe we need to think more. But critical thinking and emotional intelligence are things we should value more to avoid falling into trouble. Also, teach these to your children so they can live and thrive in a world shaped by artificial intelligence. But let's move on to introducing these assistants. Coding assistants like GitHub Copilot, Amazon CodeWhisperer, or even ChatGPT Code Interpreter are tools that, using machine learning and language models, can predict, correct, or even suggest lines of code. For example, when you're typing in Visual Studio Code, Copilot automatically suggests the rest of the function, following proper syntax and programming logic. It's like having a professional teammate by your side. What are the main uses of these tools? 1. Code autocompletion, writing functions and loops faster. 2. Test suggestions, generating unit tests based on code structure. 3. Code explanation, summarizing or explaining complex functions. 4. Bug fixing, identifying errors before execution. All of this means you spend less time debugging and stay more focused on design. Who are they useful for? Contrary to popular belief, these tools aren't just for beginners. Even professional programmers use them to speed up projects and review code quality. But here's an important question. Will these tools replace programmers? Short answer, no. At least not yet. What these assistants lack is a deep understanding of the project's goals, user needs, and the ability to choose between different solutions. So, you still have to think, design, and make decisions. But these assistants act like powerful boosters, increasing your speed and accuracy. What's coming in the near future? Companies are moving toward assistants that can simultaneously analyze documentation, databases, APIs, and team requirements to generate accurate, team-standard code. In the next few months, we'll likely see new versions of Copilot and CodeWhisperer with multi-language support and integration with project documentation. If you haven't tried these assistants yet, it's time to step into the next generation of programming. Don't forget, these tools aren't just about artificial intelligence. The real power is unleashed when human intelligence and AI work together. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and tell us in the comments. Have you ever used coding assistants? What was your experience like?